Good morning, all. This is Binu Kurian. Today I am representing myself from D2D Academy, where we are going to discuss courses after 12th. So, the compendium of the courses after plus 2 is an earnest effort of me to facilitate students while scouting for right courses and choices. It is not easy after 12 to find out what stream each student should go. It's a challenging time for the parents and the students. There are a lot of informations available, some not correct informations. So I've tried to put everything in one document so that you get this information. From there, we can take it to the next level. So this information may not be very comprehensive, considering there are almost 900 universities and 41,000 colleges in our country providing higher education, and it all teach a high or rather a plethora of subjects. So my intention is to cover maximum and also to create awareness among the students. For details, classification or combination, users are requested to visit the official websites of UGC, AICT, NAC, and individual institutes. I also have a disclaimer here. Basically, the list of courses and that of universities is no way exhaustive. These lists are only illustrative and are expected to generate enough curiosity in the child to want to explore further on the scope, possibilities, avenues, etc. For each of these courses, or looking for other options, areas that go beyond these courses, it also be noted that most of these courses are also offered by several private institutions or universities. And whoever attending this episode is further asked to research on this. Now, I humbly request everyone, this is a basement that we are providing. This is the information gathered from many areas, and authenticity is 90%. And I don't want to give 100% on that. 90% I can give the assurance. Rest 10% with that leverage. You please observe all these informations, and and you also have to do research if you want to take further on it. And I said 90%, but I can say it is not information. What is given is 100% as per 2021. But this is not the limiting information. You need to go out and, with this base, with this structure given, you have to go and explore to find out and tune your requirements. I hope this is fine. With all your permission, I'm getting into the course. Once again, welcome to D2D Academy. Now, like I said, I'm going to put each course under an alphabet. So if you want to select A, you have starting from aeronautical engineering. What is aeronautical engineering? Is nothing but the designing, manufacturing, testing, and maintenance of aircraft in a commercial aviation and defense sectors. It also involves advanced level of physics and mathematics. Now, aeronautical engineering, undergraduate level, +2. After +2, we can do that. There is, you need to cover the +2 with physics, mathematics, and chemistry. At the postgraduate level, you need, if you do want to postgraduate level, you have to do the undergraduate degree either in aeronautical or aerospace, A, or related engineering, or pass both sessions A and B of AMAESI. AESI is nothing but Aeronautical Society of India. So post-graduation happens once you have a degree in aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering, or you have pass both the sessions A and B of AMA ASI. So if you have them, then you can go for a post-graduation session. And doctoral level is also is that you must have then the condition is that you should have a post-graduation aeronautical aerospace engineering, and they should have a valid GATE score. Now, courses, what are the courses available for aeronautical engineering? There is BTech in aeronautical engineering, BA in aeronautical engineering, MTech in aeronautical engineering, MTech in avionics, MA in aeronautical engineering. The final one is ME in avionics. Now, where to study? That is very, very important. Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad does these courses. Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal University does it. Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Hindustan University, Chennai. Institute of Aeronautical and Marine Engineering, Bangalore. PEC University of Technology, Chandigarh. Madras Institute of Technology, Chennai does it. Indian Institute of Aeronautical Engineering and Information Technology, IIAEIT, Pune. And CII AE, that is Center for International Recognized Aeronautical Aerospace Aircraft Engineering, Dehradun does it. The final one is Indian Academy of Aeronautical Technology, Lucknow. Last one is Aerospace Engineering. What is aerospace engineering? Aerospace engineering is the branch of engineering which deals with the research, design, development, construction, testing of aircraft and spacecraft. It is divided into two major and overlapping branches: aeronautical engineering related to the aircrafts in the Earth atmosphere, and also astronautical engineering that deals with spacecrafts that operate outside the Earth atmosphere. That is all. That is all about the aerospace engineering. Now, what is eligibility? For undergraduate program, you need to have physics, chemistry, and mathematics. The IITs consider score of joint engineering exam, and other institutions have their own separate exam. If you want to consider for this course through IITs, they should, you need to prepare for joint entrance program. Postgraduate level, you need to do a postgraduate level, you need to do an undergraduate degree in aeronautical or aerospace or related engineering, or passed in both sessions. And if you want to do a doctorate, the completed post-graduation in aeronautical or aerospace engineering, then again a valid GATE score has to be there. Now we'll talk about the courses, what we have to do. It's BTech degree. Dual degree is a combination of bachelor and master degree also can be done. MTech degree with specialization courses and PhD programs. Now, institutes, if you're talking about, we can take about Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai, Indian Institute of Technology, again, Madras, Punjab Engineering College, Dean University, Chandigarh, Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, IEST, and Shirpur, West Bengal. And then we are talking about architecture engineering. The third course which I'm going to say is about architectural engineering. Architecture is the science that deals with planning, designing, safety, affordability, and supervision of construction work for houses, office buildings, skyscrapers, landscape, or entire cities. Now, the eligibility is basically a science stream with IITs considers score of JEE, Joint Entrance Examination. Other institutions have their own separate exams. Science streams is with 10 plus 2 with science stream is the eligibility. And what are the courses we can get into? BArch, MArch, and PhD programs. What are the institutes which offer this? Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, Aligarh University, also Aligarh Muslim University, Uttar Pradesh also does this. Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, IIEST, Shirpur, West Bengal, Birla Institute of Technology, Misra, Ranchi, and Anna University, Chennai. And other one is Center for Environmental Planning and Technology, CEPT, University, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Swami Vivekananda Technical University, Chhattisgarh, School of Planning and Architecture, Delhi, National Institute of Technology, NIT, National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur, Jamila Millia Islamic University, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad, Department of Architecture, Planning and Engineering, Nagpur. So I just given 3 courses which comes from A. I'm going to take a break here. So watch for the next episode to continue with Alphabet A. What are the other courses which comes from Alphabet? Thank you very much for listening. Hope to see you soon.